Faceless YouTube success. Start your 9-to-5 job replacement with 10 AI tools. Faceless YouTube channels can replace your 9-to-5 job. And you can start with $0. Here are 10 AI tools to get you started. 1. Lovio Labs. Breathe life into your video scripts with hyperrealistic AI voices. A go-to for faceless content creators. Lovo.ai. 2. HeyGen. Easily transform your text into professional videos. Loaded with templates, avatars, and voices. You can also use it via Canva, heygen.com. 3. InVideo. Craft videos from text, ideal for YouTube Shorts and other content. Features a vast library of stock media and voiceovers. invideo.io. 4. 11 Labs, the ultimate AI text-to-voice generator. Boasts a vast library of voices as well as a voice cloning option. 11labs.io. 5. DID. Make videos with moving and talking avatars. From humans to animals, the possibilities are vast. d-id.com. 6. Synthesia. Turn text into videos in minutes. Boasts AI voices in numerous languages and a variety of avatars. synthesia.io. 7. Descript. A powerhouse for creating and editing audio and video content. Transcribe, overdub, and adjust with ease. Descript.com. 8. Runway ML. From in-painting to their standout Gen 2 text-to-video feature, it's a must-have tool for dynamic content. Runway.ml. 9. vidIQ. Grow your channel by researching trending keywords and gaining insights into daily video ideas, giving you an edge over competitors. vdq.com. 10. Nairo AI. Specialized in crafting digital clones of real people. With Nairo Studio, you can generate realistic AI avatars and videos. nairo.ai. Bonus is Futuristo, the premier AI content agency. Futuristo provides interactive, multilingual AI avatars with professional voiceovers for unique brand identity enhancement. Futuristo.ai.